everyone, welcome back. I believe this is the 13th video of our kitchen renovation 2021, as Alan would like to say. But before we get started, here's the old man here, Ringo. Can everybody say hi to Ringo?
Hey Ringo.
Hi Bingy. So Ringo decided to come in and join us. Oh, wait a minute, here comes his brother, Caden. Let's all say hi to Caden. Of course, we would be remiss if we did not include him in our videos. So let's start, Alan. So the gentleman hasn't been here for a couple days. He's supposed to come back tomorrow and kind of finish his punch-out list. But as you can see, I would say what, about 80% of it is done? 75, 80%?
Somewhere like that. Yeah. Not very much to do. Just some, like Jenny mentioned, some punch-out items such as just trim work, a little bit of electrical work, and maybe.
Or he's got to do the door. He's got to do all the hinges.
The door, and all the hinges.
And the door knobs, which he's actually going to replace on this entire main level.
Yeah.
We also just got notice earlier this week that the pantry door has been shipped. So yay, that should arrive somewhere between the 18th and 30th. Don't know that that'll be done before he finishes everything else in the kitchen area, but at least we know he'll come back and take care of that. But Alan, you want to walk him through what he just finished, what he took care of?
Yeah, so just real quickly, just some of the things I'll discuss is the completion of the island, installation of the chandelier light up here.
Well, let's take a look at the island here, guys. So you can see, I'm just pull these two out. So he finally finished painting, he put the new panel up, and there he added some molding, which I think was really a very nice touch. One of the things I also like about the island with our stools, they kind of go underneath enough, so it's about half of the stool is exposed. So we have just enough overhang that the stools can go under, which is another feature that I like about the kitchen, Alan. You may continue.
So as I mentioned, we have the chandelier light that he completed just a few days ago. If you take a look at this up here. And the majority of the electrical work's done, but he also, I want to point out the recessed lights in the ceiling.
So he replaced all the recessed lights. And one of the nice features about the recessed lights is it has a life expectancy of what?
32 years.
32 years. And he added dimmer switches to all of the lighting, like our island light here, the pendant lights, along with the we've got dimmers on the
recessed lights.
Recessed lights. Hello.
And also on the chandelier.
And on the chandelier. So we've got dimmers on everything around here. Lastly, as Alan mentioned, we've got to come back, finish some molding here on this area around the range hood. He finished this side. He's got to continue to wrap up with the molding, and they have the drawers that have been, the covers that have been painted. You can also notice that he's put all the other cabinet doors back, and kitchen is pretty much, it's definitely functional. We put back some things, still got a ways to go, but here we are, day 13. So hopefully the next video will show the final product.
Yep.
All right, thank you all for following us.
Yeah.
Any questions? You want to know more about X-clusive construction and what we think about the work? I personally think it's been superb, and I totally recommend them.
Indeed. He's done a wonderful job, and he can do the same for you.
We'll see you on our next video.
All right.